the fast track to first production. Mitigating risk in automation project execution. The sooner you can get your new control system up and running, the sooner you get the first production and the sooner you will see return on your total capital investment. But because your control system touches almost every part of your operation, implementation is a necessarily long and complex process. Design, testing, validation, and implementation cycles can span months or even years, during which time any number of forces can converge to threaten schedule integrity. Your business can change. Resources could dry up. Physical requirements could change or material costs could rise. Human error is always a possibility. And who knows what else can happen? Such changes bring change orders and new risk potential, which can play havoc with your project delivery schedules. Countering these threats requires maximum flexibility in project execution, but rigid linking of hardware, applications, I/O, and remotely located engineering talent has forced end users and EPCs to accept schedule creep as a way of life. Schneider Electric's Flexible Lean Execution, or FLEX program, changes all of that by enabling parallel execution of a number of project phases. Traditionally, because control systems are installed and operated on powerful workstations, configuration couldn't begin until the workstations were in place. But 18 months can pass before you are ready to roll, and by then, those workstations could very well be out of date. We decouple the engineering from the hardware by configuring your automation on virtual instead of physical servers. This means that workstation procurement and system engineering can occur simultaneously. And when the workstation arrives, we download your fully tested system to it and we ship it to your site months before we might have done otherwise. And even better, you may not need as many workstations. Likewise with the I/O. Characterizing the wiring connections to your field devices is among the most labor-intensive parts of the control system installation. Using traditional methods, we couldn't begin characterizing the I/O until you have a finalized plant design and instrument schedule. Our FLEX program frees you from the need to schedule instrumentation prematurely by extracting data from a smart plant instrumentation database automatically and by applying Foxborough Intelligent Marshalling, our universal I/O solution, which decouples the design of the cabinets and wired processes from the field device type. This compresses the delivery schedule by enabling us to create cabinets early and program them for whichever type of field device you choose when you are ready. And that brings us to the third way in which we mitigate risks to schedule integrity. The ideal engineering talent for your project may sit anywhere in the world, which means that you either have to plan your delivery around their availability or settle for less than the best. Neither option is ideal. Virtualized engineering, another FLEX component, solves this by decoupling the engineering environment from the physical location of the system. This means that engineers located anywhere in the world can work together in real time to design, test, and debug your system in a fraction of the time that might otherwise be needed. Engineering Workbench, the engine that drives FLEX, ensures that templates, rules, and project data all fit together consistently to enable configuration of most of the devices automatically. And Schneider Electric FLEX is not just for the oil and gas industry. Through innovative application of virtualization, universal I/O, and integrated engineering workflow, Schneider Electric can get your chemical, power, mining, water treatment, food and beverage, and most any other process control or safety project online sooner than ever before possible, saving you thousands and producing revenue sooner. Welcome to the future of process automation. For more information about Schneider Electric's FLEX and how it fast-tracks project execution, visit realtimeanswers.com/project execution.